In this tutorial I will show you how to create this stormy ocean and make an abandoned boat under the nice moonlight. First of all, delete the camera and point light. Then go to the modifiers and select ocean. Put the resolution and render on 12. Put the scale on 4 and alignment on 0.37. Now let's add a keyframe on time value. Put the sidebar on 170 and increase the time value and make a keyframe. Play. It's too fast. Change our end keyframe to 500 and put the keyframe on that. Okay. Now it's better. Let's change the scale to 3. Now add a plane, then scale it. Hide the ocean and go to modifiers and add a subdivision surface. Change it to simple and put the value on 4. Go to edit mode, then go to data, add a group and assign it. Go back to object mode and unhide the ocean. Go to modifiers and shrink wrap. Select the cube as a target. OK. Let's make a boat. Add a sphere and put the segment on 12 and ring on 10. Go to edit mode and delete the top faces. Add a simple deform modifier. Change it to stretch. Put the factor on 0.8. Go to edit mode and select these edges and press G, and grab them on Y-axis. Add a solidify modifier and increase the thickness. Then check this box and apply it. Let's use Ctrl B and bevel these faces. Now just add a subdivision surface on level 3. OK, add a cube and scale it down. Make this nice wood for our boat. Unhide everything. Scale the plane down. Go to Constraints section and select Copy Location. On Target, select Plane and then select our group. Let's add a copy rotation and do the same. OK. Now play. Beautiful. Now select the plane and press K, and select location and rotation. Then move forward and change the location and rotate it on Z-axis. Now press K and select rotation and location again. Now our boat is floating on the ocean. Go to Render View to add some material. Uncheck the Scene World. Select the ocean and add your base color. Then put the transmission on 1. Uncheck the Scene World and go to Color, then select Environment Texture. Now add your sky HDRI. You can download any HDRI from polyhaven.com. Unhide the plane. Now select the boat. You can use BlenderKit add-in to add material. You can download it from blenderkit.com. It is free and you can use any material. Okay. Just add a camera and place it wherever you want. By the way, select the keyframes and change the interpolation mode to linear. Let's make our environment a little darker. Let's add a sphere and scale it up. Select your color and increase the emission. Put the engine on cycles and device on GPU. This is beautiful. You can use Shift-D to duplicate the ocean and make a bigger environment. Put the max sample on 300. Select your output. Change the format to FMPEG and encoding to MPEG-4. Just click on Render Animation. And this is our nice ocean. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.